you struggle with some of your appointments, you'll get to the end and you end up having to do 3 different variations because your client's not happy. We're taking you through my top tips for having the easiest consultation. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Claire of Harry John. Today about how to have the easiest consultation. So sometimes a client will have no idea what she wants when she walks through the door, and likewise you will have no idea what questions to ask her. You'll get to the end and then you end up having to do 3 or 4 styles. So this is to make your life easier. If I have one ultimate guide to keep you on track after this video. So if you haven't already subscribed, then please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified, because I'm creating a whole playlist all on kickstarting your career, growing your business. Okay, step 1. Your client's come in, you've asked her if she wants a drink, you've sat her down, she feels welcome, she comes to sit down in the chair, and you'd be like, so where are you off tonight? What are you going to be doing? And then that is instantly going to give you a vibe of where she's off to. If she's off to a wedding, if she's off to a festival, if she's going on a night out, date night, all those different things can all completely change the end result of what tonight's going to look like. Step 2, what kind of look were you thinking of? I always ask clients to bring pictures of what they're thinking they're going to go for the night. Now, sometimes they can turn up with 10 photographs. Sometimes they can turn up with none. So you need to be asking the right questions to make sure that you are going to end up with as close as possible to the result that you want. Find out what she's normally used to on a day-to-day basis. And then you can push the boundaries slightly, but you don't want to be pushing the boundaries too much. So, for example, if she normally wears quite a boho soft makeup, and today she's brought you a picture that has tons of black eyeliner, all the waterline's completely covered, and it's a really, really dark eye, you're not going to then want to go in and say, but are you sure this is the eye that you want to go for? Or should we take you maybe to a brown and ease you in gently? But would you feel comfortable having a messy updo, or do you like more tidy curls? So if she turns up with no pictures, then I would instantly go for Pinterest or Google and search for something. So she might come out with, she wants to go for a smoky eye, but a smoky eye can be 10,000 different things. So you need to go on, get some different smoky eyes, and she'll start to pick out the ones that she likes. And usually you will start to see a bit of a pattern. And don't be afraid to be honest. So if these pictures do look really different, just say, let's find out what your favourite things are of all the pictures. We'll pick out your best bits and then we'll make the best look for you. And then you can create a look that is specific to her, it's unique. She'll probably appreciate it even more because you've created a look for her and you've picked out all the best bits of the other pictures. Step 3, you're the expert. Yes, you are the expert, we are the experts, and we can help her as much as possible along the way, but we are not in her mind, and what we think will look nice on her is not necessarily what she's going to walk out of the studio feeling comfortable with. And every single person that sits in your chair is different. So just because you think that something's going to look nice on her and she's asking for your advice, then give her advice, but still ask the questions and find out what she likes to look like, because we might think that she's going to look amazing with a black smoky eye, but you put a black smoky eye on someone that usually wears completely natural, like nothing, then they're going to feel absolutely freaked out. She might have asked for something really voluminous and things like that with lots of like big hair, and you're looking at a picture thinking, well, your hair's quite fine. And if she's usually wearing her hair poker straight, and then she's going to go for a curly downdo, and then you put loads of volume on top of that, that's going to feel way too much. You'll tend to find that someone that has poker straight hair, if you put a bit of a curl in it, that curl is enough volume for someone that's used to seeing the hair completely flat. So just know where your boundaries are. Step 4, what are you wearing? She might be wearing something head to toe in blue. If you're going to wear head to toe in blue, then you wouldn't want to go and put a load of blue eyeshadow on. That's happened to me quite a lot when someone's had a head to toe colour. They've gone for an evening gown that's been completely one vibrant colour, and then they've gone for the eye makeup as well. And sometimes it can be a little bit or too much. You could go for something that complements and just go for a chocolate brown on a cooler or a warmer tone that suits that colour, and then it's going to look a lot more elegant. Likewise, if she is head to toe in pink, you're not going to go and put a load of orange all over her eyes, because you're going to have a complete colour clash. So just be careful and ask what colour she's wearing so you can make sure that it complements perfectly. Likewise, with hair down or hair up, if someone's wearing a completely strapless bodycon dress, they might want to wear something down to soften the shoulders. If someone's got a one shoulder and it's all quite big on one shoulder, likewise, you might want to do something that's straight round to the side. or you might want to do something up so it's off and it complements and it's not going to get in the way. Step 5, what is her skin like? You want her makeup to last as long as possible. So if she tells you that her makeup slips off her nose quite a lot, don't go and cover her face in a load of strobe cream. It's only going to make it worse. It's going to make it even more oily and more shiny on camera. Likewise, if she is dry, you don't want to be going sticking a load of powder over because it's just going to age her and make her look older. So work with what her skin's like so that she feels youthful and radiant and it lasts all day. Step 6 is hair. Ask her what hair's like. If she's coming in for hair down and curls and it's absolutely blustery outside, chances are that's not going to stay in. But you can go and check out my video that is all for making curls last as long as possible because this technique is amazing. And I've had so many clients that have come in and told me that the curls don't last and these have made it in. That technique has made it stay in for 3 days. Yes! Step 8, go for it. So you have come and you've asked her all the questions, and I like to work with my clients in the mirror so they can see things as they go in. So then if there is anything that they're uncomfortable about, then they don't mind saying, you are going to do my eyebrows, aren't you? I don't really like too much highlighter. I need a bit more hair around my face because I only feel comfortable and my face is too fat. So you end up, if she wants more hair around her face, just say to her, you know, feel free, go and pull a few pieces out and pull it where you feel comfortable because you'll be used to doing that yourself anyway. And then she'll feel more comfortable because she's got a little bit of control over it. And then they're doing half the work for you, which is going to make your life a hell of a lot easier and a lot quicker to get through your appointment. If she's an older client, doesn't tend to wear much on her eyebrows, then she's not going to want you to go in, put in a massive big eyebrow in. So do ask questions, find out what she's used to, know her boundaries, and then go for it. Reassure her sometimes, because if you're doing eye makeup first and skin last, it can make you look really, really weird and she might feel very uncomfortable. Younger generation are used to doing it that way, but the people who are more mature aren't. One thing I always like to say to my clients is, honestly, if there's anything that you're unsure of or you don't like, we can tweak it, so don't worry. Every single person that sits in the chair is different. Just need that little bit of nurturing with your clients, and then if you're doing that as you're going through your appointment, it will make the experience for them so much easier. And when they get to the end, the chances are you're either going to get the absolutely perfect trial, bang on where she wants to be, or you're going to need to do a tiny tweak, like she might want this side taken in a little bit tighter. I'm not quite sure about that lipstick colour. Could it go a little bit brighter? This will save you time, so you're not having to redo things and take them out and all that kind of thing, especially when you come to bridal trials because you could be there hours. And it also makes her experience a lot more nicer. A lot more nicer? It also makes her experience much nicer, so she's more likely to recommend, and that means your referral rate's going to be better and she's going to come back and see you again. That's all my tips for doing your consultation. I hope you found them useful. Please drop me in the comments and let me know what you found was the best tip for your consultation. Don't forget to subscribe and like, because this will grow the channel and I will be able to be found easier, and go and check out the other videos that I've linked at the end of the video to help grow your business. Before this video, I also said that you would have a free ultimate guide at the end, and this is the complete guide to success for a hair and makeup artist. So if you check out the link below, you can go and download your free copy. Thanks for watching. Bye.